Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be taking this hair out. It's kind of like crusty, as you can see, with the gel and all, but I've had this for a bit over a week, so I'm gonna take this out. Really nice hairstyle, suits me, so I'll do it sometime in the future, but I'm gonna take this out and wash my hair. And I think I'm gonna attempt a braided ponytail this time since I have braiding hair. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my hair out, so we're doing another natural hair video. So as of recently, in this whole like pandemic quarantine thing, I haven't worn my wigs since July. I had my natural hair and braids throughout quarantine period, and as of recently I've been experimenting with my natural hair and doing braiding styles with like braiding hair. So I don't know if you've seen on my Instagram story, but I had like 4 jumbo braids that looked really nice. I watched a TikTok video of this girl doing it and I was like, let me try that on my hair, let me experiment. So that turned out really well. I didn't film it because I was very nervous if it'll turn out well, and I didn't want to do just didn't want to have another failed attempt on my channel, you know what I mean. And before I trimmed my hair, how long ago? 3 weeks ago I think now, or before I did that last hairstyle. And at the front I trimmed this side a bit shorter than this side, which is absolutely fine because hair's gonna grow, but I'm just worried about this style because it's a low slick back bun slash ponytail. So we're gonna see how that works, but I feel like nothing there. Some got to be gel can't fix. So let's get started with this video. I'm very excited to see how this will turn out. Do I want it like that, or do I want it like this? I think I want it like this. I have some brushes that I took from my brother's. Well, they said that I could keep them because they have so many. And I have one bobby pin. I don't know where all my bobby pins went, but yeah, that slicked back looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna hold that. I don't even have a clip. How low do I want it? I feel like that's calm. I'm kind of worried on if this whole bunch of hair will be able to stick on the, what's it called? Will be able to stick in the braid, because I did struggle for the 4 braids to fit my hair in, because my hair is quite thick. Okay, I'm really doing it. But yeah, let me put some on my edges, slick it back. I'm not really a edges girl, I can't lie. I just prefer everything slicks back on my face. I'm gonna put a hell of a lot of gel because we don't want this shit to move. So how is everyone feeling about this second lockdown if you're from the UK? To me, I don't know. I feel like this lockdown is very wishy-washy in comparison to the first one. Like, I don't really know what the rules are, what can and isn't allowed. It basically feels like every day is a Sunday because all the shops are closed. Well, here, like, I went into town the other day and only Boots and Superdrug were open, so it's kind of weird that I was like, oh yeah, we're in a lockdown, that's why everything is closed. Let me leave the braiding, let me leave my hair out. Okay, so I've got my braiding hair, and kind of nervous. How I did it the last time is that I split it into two and then twist it like this and then start plaiting from the back. So I'm gonna split my hair at the back in 3 sections. I haven't tried, I hope it fits with all my hair, that all my hair does not start acting up. Okay, so for this part of the video, it's a voiceover. Hi. So this part of the video, as I showed in the previous clip, I basically rolled up the hair together. And started to plait it and placed it at the top of my ponytail and started to weave my hair in and blend it in with the hair and plait it the best that I could. I'm explaining it to say that it's really easy, but in reality it was really hard, and I redid it like several times to the best of my liking so that my hair was blended in nicely and it wouldn't unravel as quickly throughout the week. Yeah, I'm also threading in some pieces of hair to make the ponytail as thick as it can be all the way down, rather than it being really thick at the top and then being really skinny at the bottom. So this was my first time trying to thread in, like feed in hair to a plait, and at first I didn't really have the hang of it, but towards the end of the really long ponytail I got the hang of it. So the ponytail ended up being a lot longer than I anticipated it to be, but I'm not complaining. I really love the inches, honey. So, but the only thing is, if I could do it again, or when I do it again, I want it to be a bit more thicker. So maybe I'll have more hair or feed in more hair earlier than expected than I did in this clip. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I did a regular plait, nothing too fancy, just a simple 3 plait as you do throughout the whole braid. I'm just plaiting for endless on and on, endless minutes, because it is a very long ponytail. Looks good. The braid is a lot longer than I anticipated it to be, and it looks kind of deformed at the back because it twists. I don't know if I can fix that. But yeah, that's how I leave it on the side, like so, more so. But this is the hairstyle, the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and hope it helped. This was my first time doing this hairstyle and I like it a lot. You know what? Braids are the way forward. So yeah, braids over wigs for me. Even though it took a lot of willpower and arms strength, which I don't have, I managed to do it. So yeah, you guys can do it too. I'm gonna put my hair in hot water and then trim it a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.